we study registration number 63240518. Here I will presenting about conditional with. Before that, we need to know the definition about conditional with or conditional sentence. Conditional sentence are sentence that contains condition for something to happen and the result of this condition if they happen. Simply put, in this sentence, something must happen if another condition is to happen. Conditional with are divided into a 5 category. The first type is zero conditional, is used to indicate a condition is the form of the fact whose truth cannot be denied. If the event occurs, the result will definitely be bad. This type can also be used to state rules, habits, instruction, or requests. The second type, the first conditional, is used to indicate condition that might be occur. You can also use this type to express offer, plans, or requests. First conditional show that possibility will be realized, although is it not necessarily 100% true. The third type is second conditional. These types are used to assume a condition that seems impossible to be happen at the moment. You can also use this type to give advance or express a desire for something. The fourth type is third conditional. Is used to express regret or complain something that has happened in the past. The last type is mixed conditional. In the mixed conditional, the current situation can happen if there is a condition in the past, or the situation in the past can happen if there is a condition in the present. Let's flashback a little bit. Earlier, the second conditional show a situation that is impossible to happen in the present, aka hallucination. Meanwhile, the third conditional show that both conditions happen in the past and cannot be changed anymore. In mixed conditional, it is a combination of both. The condition that still happen in the present produce an event in the past, or the event in the past produce a condition in the present. Next is formula sentence and example sentence for the each type. The zero conditional is the formula if clause subject plus verb es plus the rest of the sentence, comma, result clause plus subject plus verb es plus the rest of the sentence. The example sentence is if public transportation is effective, people stop using their car. The first conditional if clause subject plus verb es plus the rest of the sentence, comma, result clause will plus verb 1. The example sentence is if I miss the bus, I will take a taxi. The second conditional formula is if clause subject plus verb 2 plus the rest of the sentence, comma, result clause will plus verb 1. The example sentence is if you listen to your mother, you wouldn't get bad. The third conditional is if clause subject plus had plus verb 3, comma, result clause would have plus verb 3. The example sentence is if I had studied harder, I would have gotten to University of Indonesia. And the last is mixed conditional. The formula is subject plus would plus verb 1 plus if plus past perfect tense. The example sentence is we wouldn't be so hungry if we had eaten breakfast first. Conditional with are assumed to use if. Even so, you can also use another word than if. For example, first, suppose. You can replace the position of if with suppose without changing a next sentence. For the example, suppose we study hard, we will pass the exam. The second is unless. Unless means except if, which is describe the opposite of the actual statement. So the use of unless makes the conditional sentence from the positive to negative or from negative to positive. For the example, we will not pass UTBK if we don't study hard. The third is should. The structure for should is should plus subject plus infinite or verb 1 plus rest of the sentence. The example sentence is should we study hard, will pass UTBK. The last is had. Put had in front to replace if. The structure of had is had plus subject plus past participle or verb 3. The example sentence is, had I studied harder in college, I would have gotten that scholarship. Next is using with. With can be used for four functions. The first is for wish and regret are used to express something that is impossible to happen in the present, or regret because something that has happened in the past cannot be changed. For the example is, I wish I could see my grandma. The second is wish or want, used to express a desire. Wish is used in a formal context. For the example is, I want or I wish to speak your supervisor. The third is to complain, is used to express hope and complain about something. For example is, I wish my dad will stop smoking. And the fourth or the last is to wish someone, is used to give hope to someone. For example is, I wish you Merry Christmas. So that is my presentation about conditional and wish. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.